Hello, chemistry students. Welcome back. I'm super excited to see you guys towards the end of this week. So I just wanted to send a video out with a few announcements as far as how class is going to look for trimester 3, just for chemistry. So remember, each teacher is going to be potentially different in how they do things. So you'll want to check with each individual teacher. So my first announcement, remember this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are teacher work days. So I would first see my in-person students on Thursday. And then for this first week, there is no Flex Friday. So my in-person students would come to school this week, Thursday and Friday. For my VLA students, if you are coming to school for material pickup, I do have a copy of the notes packet if you like these. So I actually have Unit 6, Unit 7, and Unit 8 printed out for you. So this would cover all the notes for trimester 3. I'm also, just because, I'm going to throw in an extra periodic table packet because who doesn't need an extra periodic table, right? So if you come for the VLA materials pickup, you can stop by our classroom. It's room 120. Material pickup is from 12 to 6 p.m. tomorrow, March 17th, which is a Wednesday. So for my VLA students, you can grab all the class handouts for the trimester. If you aren't able to pick up those materials, I will still send them out and hyperlink them to our class page. But if you don't have a printer, then it might be a good idea to stop by a school tomorrow from noon to 6 to grab your materials. Okay, so when we start class this week on Thursday, and just moving forward this trimester, I am not going to be doing synchronous teaching, which means that my virtual students will not need to log in on a daily basis. So my in-person students would have class from 10 to 11:15, so that would be second hour. Your attendance is based on you physically being present in the class. So if you are actually here, you would be present. If you have to miss class, even if you log in and do the attendance question, if you're not physically here, you cannot be counted present. So make sure that your parent or guardian will call you out, just like before, if you would miss school, your parent or guardian would have to call you out to excuse that absence. My VLA students, so you will take attendance through an attendance question in Schoology. Make sure you have it completed by 3. You will go into Schoology at your own pace to find the daily lesson. So you'll really need to do a good job of staying on top of things. So you'll log into our chemistry Schoology course. You'll click on the blue current resources folder. And then within that will be a blue, like this week would be week 1 folder. So you would click on the week 1 folder, and then I would have my PowerPoint, and you can click through to view each daily expectation and hyperlinks, just like it was before. And then if you have questions, I'll move myself over here. Office hours are from 1:35 to 2:15. You'll meet in Google Meets, and you would use the code WHS Fershaw. So that is kind of our normal in-person days. So that would be Thursday and Friday of this week. And then next week, starting on the 22nd, would be our first week with a Flex Friday. So here is what our Flex days will look like. So Flex days, since I won't see my VLA students on a daily basis, Flex days are going to be more support for my VLA students. So my in-person students on Flex days, so this would be a week from Friday, you would take attendance through an attendance question in Schoology. You would then log into Schoology, go to the blue current resources folder, click on the current week to check out what the expectations are for that day. And then if you have questions, you can join me in office hours, 1:35 to 2:15. On our Flex days, so a week from Friday, only my VLA students would log in to the Google Meets. So you would log in at 10 o'clock. So remember, Flex days, period 1 is 9 o'clock, period 2 is 10 o'clock, period 3 is 11 o'clock. The Google Meets code is WHS Fershaw 2 because it's my second hour. For my VLA students on Flex days, your attendance is based on you being present in the Google Meet session. So I need to see you on those days and be able to connect with you and see what questions you have and what support I can give. So again, the first week we do not have a flex day, but the second week of school we do on Friday the 26th. So I am excited to get started. I'm excited to have more students in class and just to get rolling in trimester 3. So let me know what questions you have. I'm super excited to see you. Enjoy your last few days off.